What's the cost of bariatric surgery without insurance? Patients are often very fearful that the cost of this surgery is going to be so high and out of reach that they don't even really look into how much it costs. Generally speaking, the cost of a sleeve gastrectomy, if done at an outpatient facility, can be done at our program for typically less than $13,000, for example. Now, this is a lot of money, but if you put that into a bigger scheme of things in your overall health, that amount over a lifetime really is minimal, considering it's the whole lifetime of health we're talking about. Now, they have done some studies, and these studies have looked at when do you get a return on investment on an investment like that into your health. And so what this is based on is, for example, you have a weight loss operation, you pay out of pocket for it, and you have diabetes, you have hypertension, sleep apnea, and you see the doctor regularly for these things. When, for example, do I get so healthy that I get all the money back that I paid for the weight loss surgery because I'm not spending it anymore? Where would you not be spending it? You're not going to the doctor as frequently. Your medication requirements are way down because a lot of the illnesses improve. You're not going to the hospital as much. And your time away from work is also decreased with doctor's visits or illnesses associated with obesity. So if you take all of those savings, wrap it up, and you say, when should I expect that money to be back? It's about 3 to 5 years, something like that. And obviously this is patient specific based on how many illnesses you have in your overall condition. But in general, patients that pay out of pocket for surgery are so happy with it, and they feel like that this is one of the best investments they could ever make. And the funny thing is, patients will often not think twice about taking a loan for something like that to purchase a car or some kind of a material item that maybe provides them immediate gratification. This surgery is something that's going to transform your life permanently. And honestly, the small cost of something like this to do that for the rest of your life really should be something that you consider. Another avenue that patients can take is financing options. So we often have different options to finance this with monthly payments for patients, which makes it much more in grasp for those patients to have the surgery done. So what are the financial benefits? This applies to how much you've spent on it, and in order to decide, okay, when will I get my money back? What are the financial benefits of weight loss surgery? It's a completely different way of looking at weight loss surgery, but it's very applicable if you're just talking purely finances. So number one, you're going to find that there's less time away from work. You're more productive because you have more energy, you get more work done. You actually eat less. Now, the dining bill is a huge thing. After weight loss surgery, you eat a significantly less amount. And so with that, your dining bill for the year goes down significantly. That would be your grocery bill. And also when you go to a restaurant, you eat a lot less. Oftentimes just an appetizer will fill you up. So that's a significant financial savings. And reduced medical costs is another financial aspect of it that patients don't think of, but by not going to the doctor as frequently, not taking the same expensive medications that you take regularly, and not having time off of work for medical reasons, those also add up to a significant amount, which are a savings after weight loss surgery. Subscribe or follow for more answers to your bariatric surgery questions.